As we move on to the new year, here are my predictions for AI and automation in 2025. Starting off with a boom of micro SaaS and custom build software using low code or just AI. I mean, we've seen this trend this year. I'm even building my own applications. I think this is just going to explode in 2025. Non-technical people, creatives, are going to start building new applications just by prompting. Another one is ChatGPT getting more and more expensive and some of the other AI tools, but reframing it as another employee. We know that ChatGPT has just launched a $200 a month plan. And if you think about it, $200 for having a super intelligent robot that works 24/7, versus an employee, I think that's a pretty good deal. Obviously, there are some considerations about who's using it, how we're prompting it, and who's maintaining it. You can essentially shorten your output of an entire team using some of these tools. I think larger companies will definitely consider it. For smaller companies, I think data-driven decision making, before you need to get a data analyst and kind of have a pulse on exactly what is working, what isn't. I see this as also increasing in 2025, relying on AI analytics tools to gain insights from their data and driving more informed business decisions. Being able to plug into the content or your revenue or different data sources to come up with those suggestions. I think we're just going to see more and more of that rather than relying on humans. Books, streamlining financial management and micropayments. I think, especially for small businesses that's still relying on sending invoices manually, consolidating payments. The technology is there. I just feel the adoption has been very slow. And then finally, personalized AI agents take center stage. We are, I think, on level 1, prompting around, you are a marketing expert or a proposal creation agent. Think about now having all of those very well defined within your business, a marketing team, HR team, content generation. All of these are going to be agents within your business that are going to interact at different stages, but also interact between each other. The marketing team agent will talk to the HR or the financial agent, to understand the budget constraints. Then that can be sent across to you, or that gets sent off to, copywriting agent, and so on and so forth. And having all these agents essentially interacting with each other, I think it's going to become more and more common, and being able to isolate certain parts of your business and being able to just have certain agents deal with very, very specific tasks and being able to do them very well, rather than the level that we are now, which is a bit more of a generic kind of one-size-fits-all prompting at every stage of the way. So there you have it. Those are my 2025 predictions. I'd love to know what you think is going to happen. Are the robots going to take over? Are we going to go into super intelligence? Are we in danger? Or are we just going to make better decisions, free up more time, and focus on more creative, meaningful, and impactful work in the new year? Hope you guys have a wonderful break. I will see you very soon with fresh content in the new year, and of course, more AI and more automations. Bye-bye.